Our next topic is blockchain. Central to the appeal and functionality of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology. As its name indicates, blockchain is essentially a set of connected blocks or an online ledger. Each block contains a set of transactions that have been independently verified by each member of the network. Every new block generated must be verified by each node before being confirmed, making it almost impossible to forget transaction histories. The contents of the online ledger must be agreed upon by the entire network of an individual node or computer maintaining a copy of the ledger. Expert says that blockchain technology can serve multiple industries such as supply chain and process such as online voting and crowdfunding. Financial institutions such as JP Morgan Chase and Co. JPM are testing the use of blockchain technology to lower transaction costs by streamlining payment processes. Types of cryptocurrency. Our next topic is type of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is most popular and valuable cryptocurrency. An anonymous person called Satoshi Nakamoto invested in it and introduced it to worldwide via white paper in 2008. There are thousands of cryptocurrency present in the market today. Each cryptocurrency claims to have a different function and specification. For example, Ethereum, their market itself as gas for the underlying smart contract platform. Reflex XRP is used by bank to facilitate transaction between different geographies. Bitcoin, which was made available to the public in 2009, remains the most widely traded and covered cryptocurrency. As of May 2022, there were over 19 million Bitcoin in circulation, with a total market cap of around $576 billion. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. In the wake of Bitcoin success, many other cryptocurrencies now as altcoins have been launch. Some of these are clones of fork of Bitcoin, while others are new currencies that were built from search. They include Solana, Litecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and EOC. By November 2021, the aggregate value of all these cryptocurrencies in existence had reached over $2.1. Bitcoin reached approximately 41% of the total value. Are cryptocurrency legal? Fiat currency derive their authority as medium of transaction from the government or monetary authorities. For example, each dollar bill is stocked by the Federal Reserve, but cryptocurrencies are not backed by any public or private entities. Therefore, it has been difficult to make a case for their legal status in different financial jurisdictions throughout the world. It does not help matter the cryptocurrency have largely functioned outside most existing financial infrastructure. The legal status of cryptocurrency has implications for their use in daily transaction and trading. In June 2019, the Financial Action Task Force (FATF) recommendation that bill transfer of cryptocurrency should be subjected to requirement of its travel rule, which required AML compliance. I already speak that cryptocurrency some benefit and some they think not good.